Pulse and check for pulse and X-ray.
2 fingers or 3 fingers. Please watch my position because body mechanism is important. Yes, do not do this. Do not do. You could get a sprain. Carotid pulse. Feel the pulse. Look for respiration. In your mind, you're counting for 10 seconds. 1 in 1,000, 2 in 1,000, 3 in 1,000. Yes. Same thing for a child. You could check carotid or femoral. Femoral pulse is between your thigh joint, which is very easily felt for a child, but best is this. Okay? But for an infant, there's no neck development. You will check between the forearm. This is your brachial pulse. We use it for BP. Yes? 2 fingers.
What about the wrist?
Wrist can fail. The closest to your heart.
Okay.
All the other pulses can just fade away. Yes? So pulse is over, respiration is over. If someone has come to your rescue, you will tell them to activate, get an AED and call 108 or an ambulance, whatever your community has it. You call them for emergency. No one has come, don't panic. I'm sure all of you have your mobiles. In case worse than you don't have your mobile, start off CPR. Okay? CPR, again I'm telling you, is done only on a person who has no pulse, no respiration. Yes? So I've told you response, how to check. Pulse, how to check. Yes? Now CPR, when you're giving, you got to use 2 hands to give the CPR. Here, depending on the size of the child, I could use a single hand or a double. But here I might use 100% of my pressure, but here I could just take away a bit because the child is much smaller. But here I can't put my palms, I could kill the child. If I am alone, I would use 2 fingers, the index and the center finger, which I would adjust 90 degrees straight at the center, okay, keeping in mind the nipple line center for everyone, okay? Under your axilla is your thing, 2 fingers straight, and I would do the compression, which is a bit painful because your tendons stretch here. Am I clear? 2 hands, single or 2 fingers. When I'm alone, the cycle is 30:2. 30 chest compressions to 2 breaths. If I have someone who's come to help me, no problem. You, 1 person here, we still do 30:2. In these 2 cases, if you have 2 people, because again, one important point which I forgot to mention to you all, you do not have an infant or children having cardiac arrest. Okay? Never, I've never come across. But in this age group of 1 to 12, okay, you have something called as respiratory arrest. It could be due to an object, it could be due to any kind of breathing problem. They have respiratory arrest, which is similar to a cardiac, and the procedure is the same. Okay, so you don't have to find out, generally in adults you have to find out if they're breathing or not, response. Then, but here, if someone says my child is not responsive, you should understand it's a respiratory arrest and not a cardiac arrest.
Still the pulse may be...
You still have to check pulse.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, in infant and children, you may have a pulse of 60. Okay? But don't take it for granted. You have to start CPR. Because their pulse rate is anywhere above 100. So even if you feel a pulse of 60, just start CPR because the heart is sinking, you need to pump. And this is respiratory. Okay? So when 2 people are here, you still stick on to the procedure of 30 chest compressions, 2 breaths. But in these 2 categories, when you are 2 people, you have one benefit is breaking the cycle. Instead of 30, you do 15. So what you're trying to do, you give extra 2 breaths. So I do 15 compressions, 2 breaths. 15 compressions, 2 breaths. Only in these 2 cases where 2 people are there. But if you are alone, it's still 30:2. Am I clear? Yes? AED for adult, right, left. But someone who has a pacemaker, I'm sure someone in the family, they will have a pacemaker here on the right. Never place the electrode on that and operate, it could explode. So place it below that. And this is how you operate. Yes? For a child, right and left. For an infant, we
No.
cannot use AED. Any doubts?
No.
It will be written there, right and left. Okay? Someone asked me about jaw thrust. Any age group, this is how you do a jaw thrust. So they can't move. Yes? 4 fingers, posterior lower jaw. This is your muscle which holds your tongue. Push. Use your thumb here to hold the cheeks and open while someone breathes. So there's no movement of the neck. Got it? This is jaw thrust. Head tilt, chin lift, head, chin. 45 degree. So what happens? The airway opens here. If I try pushing in air like this, it's not reaching my lungs. It's going into my abdominal cavity and I get a distended abdomen, and that's a failure. Because by the time the rescue team comes, there'll be only gush of air and complications. Okay? So this is called head tilt, chin lift, open your mouth. Yes?
but not to be done on trauma.
Not on trauma. Trauma is your jaw thrust, okay? And we said 3 minutes. That's why I said it's so important for every one of your, not necessarily be a doctor, nurse, doing CPR instantly, because 3 minutes your heart, the blood starts clotting. So how quick you could act, and doesn't matter if you reach hospital late, but if you do this act, reaching the patient there, we will do the advanced treatment and hoping for the best. That's all we could do. Yes? But we lose a lot of time at home, yes, because we panic and we don't know what to do. But I'm sure each one of you will learn this, it will benefit you. Yes? So I'm going to just show you and
Can
how.
you show jaw thrust once more?
Jaw thrust on somebody. Where is it? Here. The tongue. Just push the jaw.
Here. Push, hold the cheeks, open.
For trauma.
For trauma. So what happens, see, I'm not extending the neck. I'm not letting the patient move. So I'm still giving, safety is there.
Cheeks are pulled up.
Not pulled up, held. You held the cheek, you hold the cheekbones and then open.
So
Yes, this one.
So that tongue comes out.
Yeah, how does
Yes, because you're moving this. So
Okay.
the tongue lifts up. Yes? Okay? So now I'm going to demonstrate to you.
So then you should always be sitting towards the head
Head
side.
end
to-
for
to-
jaw thrust.
Yes.
For jaw thrust.
and for breathing only, or for CPR also, the compression
You do
also.
No, CPR is
CPR.
always lateral.
Correct.
On the side.
So you have to switch the position.
So that's why you need 2 people. You can't do jaw
Correct.
thrust alone and then try giving breaths.
Will
You
it
can't.
become bad?
You lose time. You may have a twist in your spine. Okay, you have to be very careful when doing it. But if there's no other goal, that's the only thing. But compression is more important than your
So
breathing.
jaw thrust, when we open, it will remain open?
No,
No.
you have to do it every time.
So if it is not efficient, then jaw thrust is not
Head
required.
tilt, chin lift. Head tilt,
And
chin.
then you can be lateral position.
Yes.
Active chin lift. So there's no risk of tongue going inside here?
No, when you do this,
Hmm.
what happens is it bends here, it moves the tongue forward.
Hmm.
So will you give the CPR at the same time you can do this one also?
You will see all 3 together in 3 minutes what I'm going to perform. Okay? And when you're doing the mouth to mouth, handkerchief, whatever you get, you will do this. Head tilt, chin lift, close the nose.
Oh,
Okay?
close the
And
nose.
what you breathe comes out here. Open the mouth. Can you see that?
Yes.
Because I am not blowing a balloon. I'm not doing that. Open your mouth. All of us have crocodile mouths, yes? Seal it on the patient's mouth. And when you're blowing, side view. Okay? If you do not seal your mouth and air leaks out, this will be a failure. Okay? In case you fail to give breaths, it doesn't happen. Don't panic. Please get back to CPR because you need to get the circulation moving. Yes? Okay? So I'm going to do, watch me. Okay, but I'm too fast. For me, it's practice. Your C, A, B, where is it going to fall? And your 6 steps, what I'm going to do. Okay. For the adult and the child is going to be the same. And I'll show you your rescue breathing too. Okay, so someone has collapsed. A quick look. Are you okay? Are you okay? Help! No one's come to help. Nipple line center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I still got strength. I can go steady for 5. Okay? Because my body mechanics, my techniques have not failed me. Yes?
So this was one cycle, right?
This is one cycle. You got to 5 cycles.
How much gap after the 2 breaths?
Immediately. There is no gap.
Get back to the-
So I've done 2 minutes. Again, I stop for a second, check for pulse, look for respiration. Pulse is there, no respiration, rescue breathing. 1 in 1,000, 2 in 1,000, 3 in 1,000, 4 in 1,000, 5 in 1,000. 1 in 1,000, 2 in 1,000. Got it? Keep in your mind how many you finish. The moment you hit 10, that means 1 minute.
5 seconds.
5 seconds gap. In children, it's 3 to 5 seconds gap. Okay? Now I'm going to do the infant. Pediatric is similar. The child is similar to that as an adult. Only thing, I might use 1 hand. Or I might use 2, but I'm not putting full pressure. Yes? 30 is to 2. I'm alone. If someone's there, I would do 15 compressions, 2 breaths.
If
And
no one
you-
is there, right, keep doing
30 is
another
to
like
2,
that.
as long as you can, and keep shouting in between, or pick up your mobile and call someone for help. When you have 2 people, it's easier. You don't get tired.
And your strong hand should be on the top so that you can
Whichever, I
press,
don't know.
right? Like, because
Whichever
you're
you're
pressing
comfortable.
more with this, and this hand is more for the this thing.
I wouldn't know which is suitable for you. Because me, I'm not used to this. I may not be. So it depends which has more power.
Should be on the
Whichever you are comfortable with.
For
Okay?
breathing, we counted 1 in 1,000
That is for rescue breathing.
rescue breathing.
So
When pulse
can I
is there.
count Till 1 in 1,000 till 10 in 1,000.
5 in 1,000.
5 in 1,000.
Second breath. Am I clear? Yes? In infant, same thing. Safety. Are you okay? Help. Check for pulse. This you will count 10 seconds in your mind. There's no pulse, no respiration. I am alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are like dolls. They are exactly like dolls. They are soft. But for you, this will be strenuous because it's very painful as it goes by. Okay, you count till 30. But here, what you do?
Nose and
Same
mouth.
thing. Head tilt. Got it? Can you see that? For those of you who can't see the lungs rise, that's how it is. Yes? But you got to get that. Seal it. Form a seal that no air leaks out.
For trauma cases in infants, that
Same
jaw
thing.
thrust is still.
You will still keep like this because you don't want the baby. 2 fingers, smaller area, and open the mouth. Anything
This,
confident?
that respiratory arrest case you told, like that will also have like pulse and respiration both will be
Same.
gone.
For both of them, it won't be cardiac, it will be respiratory. The act is the same for cardiac arrest.
And in those cases, pulse as well as respiration
Yes,
both are gone.
both.
What typically leads to that?
Respiratory, it could be kind of any cough that